So this video, I'm replacing the battery in a 66 Corvette. Pop the hood. Now remove the 10mm bolts on top of the two terminals, starting with the negative first. And then the positive. Always do negative to positive first, so you don't ground out the car. Now, I'm gonna remove the 13mm bolt that's down here. I have to set aside the harness a little bit to get to it. Careful you don't drop it down into the engine bay like I almost did. With a little wedge. Now you just gotta fish it out. And there you have it. Now the reason I'm taking this out is because I have a little charger and it was kind of low. I bought this car used and wanted to make sure the battery was working great, because you never know how old the battery is when you get something. I'm going to see if I can get this charger in the picture and show you guys. Oh. So when it's on the car, it was only showing 12 volts. Now that the car is disconnected, it's showing 12.5 volts. But I'm going to replace it anyway, because it could be a couple years old. And I don't like getting stuck on the road. Well, it says it's good. Using this tester, it's 12.3. But when I had it hooked up to the car, it was reading about 10, 11, 10.8 to 11. So I'm guessing it's a little bit weak. Anyway, that's my video. Like, subscribe, comment, do stuff. Hope you have a great weekend. Till next time.